Here's how to turn some of your first braids into a complete hairstyle. Start with the center part. Section two roughly symmetrical pieces of hair at the front and tie the rest back with an elastic. Put one of the sections away for now by twisting and clipping it aside. Sweep the working section away from your face and divide it into 3 sections, imagining the dividing lines to be parallel to the direction the braid will travel. Braid these 3 sections down and back towards the base of your neck. I find it useful to turn my head over my shoulder as the braid grows longer, but be careful not to catch any hair from the main ponytail as you braid, and then tie off the end with a tiny elastic band. Unclip the second section and braid it the same way you did the first. Pay attention to the angle at which you sweep the section, the direction and position of the dividing lines, and centering the first few stitches. If they don't turn out symmetrical, just take out the braid and try again. To finish up this style, use another small elastic to tie the 2 braids together at the back of your head, being careful not to grab any of those loose hairs nearby. Adjust the braids to make everything centered and symmetrical. You can then remove the bands from the individual braids and further modify this style to make it your own.